Alright, so today we got a cheap little Craigslist go-kart. About to rip it in the horse ring, see how that goes. Smith, what do you think about that?
Sounds like a good way to spend a Thursday.
Yeah, seems about right.
Our founding fathers had a dream when they founded this country. Going real fast and real left. That's what we're doing in today's video.
Shake and bake?
I went right.
Shake. You gonna try a right turn, bro?
I'm gonna be driving a piece of American machinery. The Gauntlet. Number 95, old 95. This baby, she cooks. Multiple different tailpipes will be used in this video as well. And let me tell you one thing. Get ready for some real speed.
Alright, so the clutch is pretty bad. Muffler's a little rough, not even on all the way. Threw an air filter on there. We got open oil cooling, that adds horsepower. And I think that's pretty much it. You rip it around the track a couple times.
Amen, brother.
Hopefully the clutch will last long enough to make it a few rounds, but if not, I got a second one. I just don't want to put it on. Who's up?
Okay. We're racing on this old horse track. As you can see, a lot of tracks already.
Yeah, we've made a couple rounds.
Traction is very bad right now. Very bad.
It was better when
it was immaculate.
we had a
You'll see in the
drag.
You'll see in the video. Alright, man, don't touch the hot dog.
Yeah, watch. Oh no, the exhaust pipe's cold because we put a new one on. Yeah, we put the new one on. No, you tell. Yeah, you hit the exhaust pipe. But watch it. I don't know how hot that gets. All right, ready?
There we go. Nope, not.
Hey, give us a little bit of gas on it.
There we go. There we go. Hey!
Alright, we're going to half choke. It's like a half choke. Here we go! It doesn't want to run full throttle.
Give it a beam. Give it a beam.
Go for it. Alright.
Boogity, boogity, boogity. Let's go racing.
Wow.
Holy cow.
What a guy.
What? Alright, get on. Right, here we go. Gets your hip. No, the seat is really awkward, and every turn it just digs in your hip. It hurts. What?
clutch is gone.
It's like Mario Kart, but high stakes.
Go?
Yeah.
The clutch is pretty bad. It's not great. Dude, it keeps dying. Maybe it's out of gas.
Dude, it dies on me, man.
I know, maybe it's out of gas. Sorry about that burn.
That's all good.
Alright, I'm running on high gas. Hold on, don't go. Oh, we've got gas. Alright. Alright, so it's a little goofy to drive, but you'll get used to it. Gas, you got gas on your right, brake on the left, and if you hit your brake, it locks up so it'll just spin. But yeah, watch it hard. Not hot as hard. Huh? Alright, you're good. Oh, millions. You keep going.
Dude, this thing's awesome.
Yeah, great. You keep going.
No, I gotta leave anyway.
Are you gonna head out?
Yeah. This thing is so fun.
That's great.
It is tricky to drive.
Yeah, you gotta
You
get
have to
used to
find
it.
like the sweet spot.
Yeah.
And like, I must have hit like a decent pile of sand, and it just whoosh. Ow.
Yeah, that was pretty nice. I'll be spinning out.
It's acting funny.
What?
It's acting funny.
Yeah, I bet it's a clutch. Clutch is probably dead. Alright, can I go before the clutch dies?
What?
Did I go before the clutch dies?
Yeah.
Alright, good.
Let's shake and bake.
I burned myself.
Yeah, that dog is. Yeah, this is pretty fast. Alright, good. Oh, let's go for it. Oh, the kill switch is not pulled in. Alright, we gotta get a new
The
clutch.
dust kept getting in my face.
Yeah.
Dude, you get that's what the goggles were amazing for that.
Oh, look at it steaming.
Yeah.
Smoking around.
Yeah, I don't know when the last time that pipe was used. It was sitting in the back, so.
Biscuit!
My fault.
Where's the
Biscuit!
dog? Where is she? Oh, there she is. Dude, I thought I was gonna hit her.
I thought I was gonna hit her too.
Go get her.
Come here!
Where'd she go?
Come here, Biscuit! Come here! Come here!
There she is.
Tongue flopping in the wind.
Dude, I think that's it. Clutch is pretty much cooked. And we'll probably be back at some point with this thing. I kind of like this one. I might keep it instead of selling it. Yourself. I burned
So
my
Matt,
arm.
how do you think today went?
Good, other than the burns. Burns were pretty bad.
We are home.
Happy